Right folks, stiff knob so to speak on the Honda VFR 1200 Crosstourer preload adjuster. Mine was, and we all like it, a very stiff knob, but in this instance it was ridiculous. So I was contemplating getting a new shock, but yeah, alright, I still may do because the Hondas are renowned for being naff ones, but I've actually freed mine off without taking to pieces. I just thought I'd try some. I mean, it's fully wound up now. I don't know if you can see the gap there. That's fully separated. So I start winding it back. Excuse me, hand. I'll just try and change hands and keep you on the job. Start winding it off. Look, well, just winding it off with two fingers, clicking through the very spring ball bearingy things inside. Click, click, click. So you can count them. Doesn't really matter. On or off. I'll just change anything. You can see it reducing. It says, I can't get good because it's all oily. 1 second. Get it again. I should have wiped it first. But that is winding off beautifully. Nearly there. Sorry, it was rolling further because I did it cack-handed, sat on the floor. But that's it. We're fully off there. And the gap's now closed. So winding it on. You get the idea. So yeah, no graunching, just the click in the ball bearing. And how I've done it is the 10mm bolt up the back. Follow the line across basically, you find a 10mm bolt. So whiz that one off. Just a second, because I'm doing it without my GoPro, so I've not got a stand, it's just my phone. Yeah, you can see the 10mm bolt. And I'll just take that one out and I'll show you what I did. Just 1 second. So yeah, now I've taken the 10mm out and it floats down like that. This is the, I'm assuming it's the reservoir which pushes the gas, which pushes the spring tension down, etc, etc. There is a little pin there. I don't know if you can see it. It's awkward doing it one-handed. There's a little pin here, but I don't know what that does. I don't want to start punching something major releases. I don't know. People say hit the knob off with a big hammer, etc, etc, but I thought, no, I'll try that. I have adjusted it like a heathen with a big pair of pliers because it was getting that bad. I had to do it that way. So like I say, what I did to get it to where I'm at with it, like I say, I can spin it. So I'm taking the preload off now, but it's just falling off. Nothing on it there, it's free. No graunching or anything, it's just free as they come. So what I did is get a plastic bottle, cut to whatever size that is. I used a Pellegrini Italian spring water bottle. I don't know what I'm going to do this, but I'll try and balance my phone. Sadly, probably. Yeah, I can't do it, but basically I lifted the preload adjuster up. I'm going to have to put you down. I'm going to do this. Just 1 second. Yeah, plastic bottle adjuster in there. I'm doing it one-handed, which I should do it both two-handedly. And it just sort of sits in like that. So the cap is sat in the bottle. The preload, obviously the cap's down. Bottle is just going to act as a reservoir. I've got some WD-40 which I put into a little dispenser, and all I did was put this out of the way. Pour the WD-40 in and fill it up so it's above the knob. I think you can say that. I basically left it like that for a few hours, probably overnight, maybe like that would do, but all I did was left it for a couple of hours. Pulled it out, worked it, put it back up, put it back in, let it soak, pull it out, worked it, put it back up, and it seems to have done the job. I'm not saying it's going to work the job on everybody's, but it's done the job for me, so hey, try it. What can fail? You'll either work or it won't. Cheers.